The $15 or the $70? What's up guys, Eyes here of coznowEIZcan. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is where I share my thoughts, feedback on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. So for today, we took quite a field trip and went to the Bidok Reservoir here in Singapore. And I'm going to show you guys the comparison for the Sirui wide-angle lens and also the BCMaster 2-in-1 lens kit. Just a quick recap that both of these lenses use high-grade aluminum. Sirui actually mentions that they have a scientific grade aluminum and boasts of a Schott glass, which is German technology. So without any more delay, here's the comparison. So, after baking under the sun, comparing the Sirui wide-angle lens and the BCMaster, what do you guys think? Because to me, looking at the pictures during post, when I was finishing up this video, I didn't really see that big of a difference between the two. Right now, to me, it looks like the BCMaster 2-in-1 lens kit, though it is heavier, it's worth it because it's just $15. And if you notice, sometimes the Sirui shots would actually look a bit blurred or distorted. That's because of the small optical part that connects or goes on top of your smartphone. It has to have somewhat an exact mount straight from your camera to the optical part of that lens. When I was doing this filming, I had to always remove and look in front of it just to ensure that my Samsung's camera is directly aligned to the Sirui. So for me, I would actually pick the BCMaster 2-in-1 lens kit. Plus, the BCMaster has a macro lens that comes with it. So you don't just get the wide-angle lens, you also get a macro lens. I'd love to hear what you guys think, because right now, to me, the BCMaster, apart from the weight, it looks more professional. Aesthetically, it wins the part. Performance-wise, there's not much difference even compared to the Sirui wide-angle lens. So, BCMaster wins it for me. Well, as I've mentioned, guys, it has been quite overdue in comparing these two lenses. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you have your pick between the BCMaster or the Sirui lens. And if you are interested, there are links at the bottom of this video for you guys to browse on. Don't worry, I'm not going to be paid for it. I'm not sponsored by BCMaster or Sirui, but go ahead, feel free to browse on their website or check out Amazon for the latest pricing. Again, the BCMaster, I bought it for around $15 and the Sirui was around $70. And the reviews are on my channel as well, so you can go to the videos if you want to have a view. Now, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, feel free to leave them on the comment section below. If you like this video, thumbs up please, and consider subscribing along with the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. Alright guys, until the next video, thanks again, and let's all remember, we're all here to learn.
Peace.